Ụmụnne ndewono.
Hello to them. I'm Wemeka.
Ifeoma.
We are coming to you live from Canada. And to tell you the truth, it is cold. This is winter. Look
Very
around
cold.
you. This is snow on the ground. It's not sugar. It's not salt. It is snow. And it is cold. But the reason why we came here to talk to you is just because we know this is going to be helpful to you and your family, because it has been helpful to us.
Yes. So this is something we actually found about 18 months ago. Because when you look at the whole pandemic, guys, you find that you need to start looking for a plan B. A lot of people are losing their jobs, the world is changing, times are a little different. So you need that something that's gonna be sustainable for you and your family. And that's how we ran into this business. Because honestly, like when you're doing something back home and you're far away abroad, it's really hard to keep up,
It's not
right?
gonna work.
There's a lot of pressure. So we decided, okay, maybe we should find something that we can do while we're here in Canada. And we found something online, guys. There's nothing more amazing than that.
And to be honest, when we found this business, just like every people that come overseas, you want to be sure that this is going to work. And we had a few doubts at the beginning, but we did not let that stop. Because when you have bigger priorities, you don't let doubts stop you. So we did not let it stop us, and we started. And today we can testify as living testimonies that this is a good way to change your life. It transforms you, it transforms your finances, it transforms your family, gives you the confidence to go ahead and do what you want to do without worrying about tomorrow. So that's why we're talking to you about it.
Yes, and we actually still do professional jobs, and our jobs, we still have our jobs, thankfully. However, you just never know when something is going to change.
Yes.
You don't want to be that person who is going to lose your job and then you have nothing else to hold on to. Those bills are still going to be there, right?
Absolutely.
So, which is why this plan B that we found has changed everything. It has taken away all of that type of pain,
And doubts.
and doubts that you have. And this business actually pays us even more than our day-to-day jobs. And that's why we're always so excited to talk about it. And it doesn't take our time, right? Because we can still work full time and we do this on the side. And we have three
young
kids. So with that, we're still able to do our business. We make good money from this business. And we have done a lot of things. We have helped a lot of people,
Yes.
even back home.
Yes.
We're running a charity even back home just to help people, because that's what we enjoy doing, and this business has given us a chance to do that.
It gives you leverage to do the things that you plan to
You
do.
really love, yeah.
I mean, you have plans already. So what this does is it gives you that leverage to do it faster and quicker than you would have planned. And that's the reason why, if you're planning to change things in your life, this is where you need to come. Because
and you do
it
not
won't-
need any computer skills to do this
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Step-by-step training
Absolutely.
is provided.
You get trained, you get shown the way, you get a mentor and a coach, and at the end of the day, you get that support all the way through. So if you want to know what we're doing, we will be happy to have you come on board. Our website is www.mekify.com, or you can click on the button below and we will be happy to get in touch with you. So,
All right. Thank you, and see you on the inside. Bye.